The ongoing commotion of COVID-19 has impacted the business processes of every business on the planet. At this rate, each one of us has been impacted to some degree. Each business has been tasked with figuring out new solutions for collecting revenue while maintaining a safe distance from customers. With this, there has been an increased sense of empathy for customers. For example, companies have changed manufacturing assembly lines to create safety wear. Restaurants have been orchestrating free delivery. Breweries have used their equipment to make hand sanitizer, and other cases are popping up all around the world. GoFundMe would like to give their customers some analytical support to help them design compelling campaigns. Our goal is to help the customers create better campaigns to raise money through these difficult times. Now that you've kind of caught a glimpse of what we're offering, we'll go ahead and explain things in more detail. Our site is hosted on AWS for your convenience, but will easily be integrated with the GoFundMe site soon. You are currently viewing our homepage, where you'll find the campaigns we've analyzed in summary form. You'll notice that each campaign is presented on a card that also displays the progress of the campaign and its calculated quality, which we'll discuss in a minute. There are different criteria by which we can sort the campaigns. You'll find this in the Filter by Categories and Filter by Qualities drop-down menus. You'll find 4 different categories in the Qualities filter, which we determined based on our analytical findings. Quality is measured by calculating the detail provided in the campaign and the amount of money raised per day that campaign has been active. The campaign qualities are scaled and grouped so viewers and analysts can see how successful campaigns are and also determine how to suggest improvements to those who are not performing as well. This metric gives fair consideration to all campaigns, regardless of how long they have been up. For each campaign, we have provided the ability to see an expanded view with more information. Clicking the Details button on the desired campaign will show you the original location of the fundraiser, the number of days the campaign has been active on the site, and other important features of each campaign. Unfortunately, not every campaign raises money quick enough to help those who are in need. People are suffering from the effects of coronavirus and need the help of others who are capable of providing relief. This is why we have also developed a prediction tool to assist others in creating a successful campaign. The prediction calculator is our most valuable contribution. Using this handy form, users can input the values they would use to post a campaign, and at the click of a button, receive what we estimate will be the average amount of money donated per day for their campaign. They will also receive an estimate of the anticipated completion time, or number of days until their campaign goal will be reached, as well as the quality of their campaign as we discussed earlier. These estimations are all derived from a complex model we developed in Azure from analyzing the existing campaigns of the GoFundMe website. As customers strive to gain the donations necessary during these uncertain times, our online tool will increase the rate of success of their campaigns by increasing the campaign quality and therefore the number of donors. Shortly after the estimate has been given, our prediction model will provide some tips on how you can create a high-quality GoFundMe campaign. That way, you can start improving your campaign right away. Let me show you an example of how our prediction tool can help improve this campaign. Our machine learning tool has selected the most important features to predict the estimated donation time and amount. Using text analysis, we are capable of predicting when a campaign needs to be improved. We can start by editing the campaign title, as well as the campaign description. This time we'll use better grammar and more powerful vocabulary. Now let's make sure each field is filled out appropriately. We are now able to provide ample feedback for each campaign so they can achieve the desired success level. By using this prediction tool, we are confident that customer success will increase and will influence many fundraisers to host their campaigns with GoFundMe.
To give a little more background on our model, Microsoft Azure is an extremely powerful tool used to develop all sorts of machine learning algorithms. These help train existing data as well as new data entering the model. As a team, we were able to create our own Azure model that uses GoFundMe analytics to identify variables that influence campaign performance and quality. Here are a list of those variables. This is what is running in the background that gives you the power to predict the outcome of your campaign. One important aspect of this model is to process texts. We have found that the title and description of the campaign are important factors that determine its success when raising money. The pre-processed text tool in Azure helps to do many things in regards to strengthening your campaign's text. It removes stop words, common expressions, and suffixes. This helps to better normalize everything so as to better determine the strength of your title and description. The LDA pill is helpful in grouping together words that strongly correlate with the quality of the campaigns you are publishing. This model groups these correlated words into trigrams, bigrams, and unigrams, and then finds the 6 greatest factoring groups to be included in the data training model. This helps the model to increase its accuracy of predicting the amount that will be donated to any given campaign.
Now let's talk about security for a minute. We love what GoFundMe is already doing to protect customers and their personal information. Measures already in place include automated campaign reviews, detection of a beneficiary before disbursement, and the potential of reimbursing donors in the case of a scam. GoFundMe is also very thorough in educating consumers and selecting trustworthy campaigns as they consider contributing. Educational blurbs, such as this one, are found throughout their site. We believe that user education goes a long way in keeping public communities fraud-free, so something we implemented to extend these efforts are the tips we provide on the prediction calculator page to further educate users on how to improve their campaign. In terms of secure technology, we decided to use Axios as our main way to interact with Azure's API because of its effectiveness in protecting against cross-site request forgery. Django, our server-side framework, also protects against cross-site request forgery as well as cross-site scripting. These just help to block requests from untrusted locations, minimizing ill-intentioned interference. In this time of uncertainty, users don't need anything else to worry about.